Hello everyone and welcome back to another YouTube video. This video is about how to maintain your old video card on your personal computer properly. Tools needed: one dust removable soft brush, a DS139 thermal paste, one iFix screwdriver set, some cotton buds, a small vacuum cleaner, and a little medicinal or isopropyl alcohol. Let's start. First thing first, we have to remove the sides rubber ports. And then we need to remove 2 screws from the main sides and another 3 from the port's metal plate. Afterwards, we are going to remove another 4 screws, but this time from the GPU heatsink. Now the GPU fans can be gently removed from the heatsink, and at the end we must not forget to unplug the fan header connector from the main board. Next, on the bottom of the RX 5500 XT are another 4 screws that needs to be unscrewed. Now the GPU heatsink can be removed. Next, we have to use medicinal alcohol or isopropyl alcohol with some cotton buds to remove the dry and old thermal paste. We have to be gentle because there are a lot of tiny transistors around the GPU processor. What I find useful next are a few toothsticks which will help us to clean the additional dried thermal paste around the GPU transistors. Do not use any metal tool for this process because you are willing to damage the GPU card. As you can see now, the GPU processor is way cleaner. Moving forward to the heatsink, on the back of it we must clean only the old and dried thermal paste. The cotton buds soaked into the alcohol will help. On the front of the GPU heatsink, usually after the time of usage, you will find dust. This dust needs to be removed now by a soft brush. Now we have to clean the working surface from the dust so we can keep the area clean. Next, use the soft brush to remove the rest of the dust from the GPU motherboard. Feel free to use the small vacuum as well. Don't forget also about the GPU connectors and the PCI golden connectors to clean them. Remove the extra screws from the front of the GPU motherboard to be able to remove the bottom plastic part from the GPU so you can clean the rest of the motherboard. After this process, we have to mount back the plastic plate and then screw back the 7 screws. Moving forward to the GPU fans, now gently remove them outside from the plastic cover. Remove the dust around the GPU fans by dipping the soft brush into a little isopropylic alcohol. Use this method for the GPU plastic cover of the fans. Now let's place back the fans into the plastic cover. Moving back to the GPU motherboard, now is time to use the thermal paste. Just use a small amount and place this straight on top of the GPU processor. Now let's place back the GPU heatsink and screw back the 4 remaining screws from the back. Now, matching the correct way around the ports and screw back the 3 remaining screws for the metallic plate. Next, ensure that the plastic cover of the fans are correctly placed back on the top of the heatsink. Screw the screws back from the plastic cover fans and then the screws from the fans as well. Don't forget now to connect back the 4-pin white connector. Now all the maintenance process have been done correctly and our GPU should have a lower temperature for running. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more videos and updates. Bye bye.